She's talking about that I'm ugly. Is it true?
Of course.
You think if I was ugly, you would have come out like that?
My mom is beautiful. Don't forget.
Oh, really?
Don't forget.
Okay, you see how pretty you are? Go ahead and get an ugly dude, and you see what's gonna happen to your kid.
Their mom gonna be pretty.
Doesn't mean nothing.
That doesn't mean a lot. You still
Idiot.
ugly. It's okay. You're
Look at
still
this
ugly.
one.
Accept the fact.
Sometimes I wonder, you're too ugly to be my daughter. Yeah, you're so pretty, and you know that.
That's hurtful. Okay? Sometimes I realize, I be like,
That ain't in your face.
oh, shit. I be like, damn. Do you know that you're so ugly? You too ugly to be my dad?
Can I tell you something? Like they said, beauty is with them. You can see a guy who's so good looking, a beautiful woman, they got no brain. Think about that.
So, not only call me ugly, you try to say I don't have a brain?